What's up guys, I'm Ryan, Ryan C Fishing, and today we're doing a little bit of exploring. I was just up at a pond, but I wasn't having any luck. So I walked down to this creek. In one of my old videos I came down here and caught a few fish. I don't remember what I was using, but I know I caught a few fish. So we're gonna try it, because why not? I've got some live bait. I've got my Redington fly rod, which I want to use a little bit more. You know, I've got a little worm set up, little rooster tail. There's some little stuff, see what we can't catch, but this creek looks really good right now. A lot of water pumping, and there's more water here than there was last time. Last time I was here, I was able to walk down on this big rock thing down here, so there's a lot more water in here, and it's looking pretty good. So I'm gonna get down here and get fishing, so let's get into it. I just had a fish on right underneath the spill well, and I thought I was stuck on something because he wasn't fighting at all. Dang, okay, let's see if we can get back in there, try to get him. Make our way to the secret spot here. Hopefully I can get here. Okay, we're at the secret spot. Here we can do here. Oh, got him. Oh, that's a little bass. Let's go. Ah, he's spinning the crap out of me. Damn it. There we go. Woo. Look at that, guys. I'm fishing like 10 feet above the spill well. That's crazy. Woo, almost fell. Yeah, and I'm like about to die over here too. So let this little guy go. And there he goes. And he left my worm on there too, so nice. I don't know if you guys can even hear anything I'm saying, it's so loud, but finally got one. See if we can't get back in there. All right, we're back in my house. That was a bad day of fishing, I would say. And I had a similar day a couple weeks ago. I'll go and show the footage of that now. I was fishing at Wyman Air Force Base and also only caught one fish. So I'll show the footage of that to make this video real. Remember to like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next one. Oh my gosh. First cast, I changed crankbaits to the 6 cents blue colored square bill right off the bank. Nice little fish. Sorry, you guys didn't see the fight. That little just bit, and he, oh man, this is a hook hand fish. There we go. Oh yeah, nice little fish. You got all 3 trebles in there. Awesome. I've got pliers. Get these real quick. I literally just tied that on just now and made my first cast with it. First fall fish. I have not gone bass fishing in so long. At least it seems like it. It's been a hot minute. Caught ourselves a nice little bass on this square bill crankbait right here. Not a bad little fish. Let's let this guy go. Down here without falling. Get a nice release shot. There he goes. That was right there too. Yes, I've been fishing for like an hour or so now, maybe more. No bites, nothing. First cast with this new crankbait. This 6 cent square bill. and he just crushed it. He wanted to bed. Let's make another cast.